Hey, what's going on? It's Spencer from Shreveport Cycles in Shreveport, Louisiana. Yee boy! We got ourselves a 2018 Honda Shadow Phantom. Sucker's got less than 500 miles, still under warranty. It comes with a windshield. It's a quick detach. It's really easy to do. All you do is you flip this little lever up right here. See how easy that is? And you just slide it off this little rail. And you take that windshield off, give it more of a custom look. It also comes with some saddlebags, spoke wheels, chromed out pipe. Probably get that sucker powder coated, I don't know, a couple $100, make it all blacked out feature. Like I said, this bike has got less than 500 miles. Look at that sucker. 440 original miles. Nothing wrong with this bike. Dude just wanted to trade it in and get himself an Indian Springfield, so I can't hate him on that. Look at this thing, perfect bike for riding season, black on black, all murdered out. A lot of nice little accessories on it. Perfect starter bike or secondary bike. Like I said, 2018 Honda Shadow Phantom. You can find it at ShreveportCycles.com. Find us on Facebook, Shreveport Cycles. Come by anytime, check it out.